talking?
He's hearing something. Look, he'll be born in his mouth.
Without you, it's not right.
Go with your bone, Bobby. Go sit down with your bone. Go. Go eat your bone. Go in your bed.
Next year, I'm in the 33rd.
Go in your bed. Go to your bed. Go with your bone in your bed. Yeah. Go lay down in there and relax.
Tone down the color commentary.
So,
Relax.
lost up the fight. Turn
It's
around.
okay.
Kid. It's 22 on my chest.
Yeah, right. Now, which kid was this?
Another kid, an African American.
African American.
Came out of nowhere, I didn't see him.
So what did you do?
What did I do then? I'll tell you what I did then. I got shot in the fucking chest. That's what I did then. Yeah, so you're part of my euphemisms, detective, but I would rather wind up an old bigot than a handsome young corpse. No offense, detective, but I'm just trying to